You can export routes from the Beeline app as a GPX file, which lets you share it with your friends or use it on another platform. So we can do that in two ways. One way is if you've already ridden a ride, you can save out that route. So if we go to options and then share and download, we're given these two choices. One is we can create a GPX file from the route that we actually rode. So let's say we didn't quite follow the route that we planned, but we found some amazing back roads or some mountain passes. This is the ideal option. Or we can share the route that we originally planned. In my case, I'm going to share the ridden route. Then it will download it and let you share it. You can save it onto your phone or send it as a text or as an email. And actually, I've already sent this route to myself with an email onto my other phone here. So I've opened the email, I'm going to choose it here, and actually it will load straight into the Beeline app for me. I can choose the kind of import I want to have, import it, and that will take a couple of seconds. And there you go. We've got the same route on both of the phones here. The other thing you might want to do, let's say you're planning a ride together with some friends in the Beeline route planner. Someone's got the route ready, you've all agreed on it, but you want to make sure that both people can use it. Just head to options, share and download, and it will download just like you saw before. This means that if you have other friends with the Beeline app, or even using other kind of navigation solutions, you can just export the GPX route and make sure everyone's on the same path.